Welcome students. Under the initiative of Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Goa, titled Digital Integrated System for Holistic Teaching and Virtual Orientation for Developing E-Content, I am dealing with Unit 1 of Public Finance paper titled Nature and Scope of Public Finance, where the module is Definition and Scope. I am Dr. Apurva Marathe, Associate Professor, Department of Economics, CS College of Arts and Commerce, Kunkolim, Goa. The outline of the module 1 is Introduction to Public Finance, Definitions, Scope, Nature of Public Finance, Positive and Normative Aspects. Now, we also have to find out what we are going to get after learning this particular module. So, the learning outcomes we expect are at the end of the module, the student will be able to describe what is the nature and scope of public finance, what they understand from it. They should be able to list the definitions of public finance which we are discussing. They should be able to identify the positive and normative aspects of the public finances. Now, while learning the definitions, while checking out the nature and scope of public finance, we go to the definitions. While learning public finance, we go to the definitions related to public finance made by several of the economists as well as the scholars, the thinkers, because the subject is studied all over the world. All the public bodies, public entities and their fiscal operations are dealt under this particular subject. However, C.F. Bastabel, Taylor, Plaham, Buchanan and Musgrave are the prominent authorities in public finance who have defined public finance as the subject that deals with the income and expenditure of the government authorities, of the public authorities, as well as financial administration and control over the finances of the governments. We also find that in Indian text, Chanakya and in recent times Rajaji Chalaiya, who has been the co-founder of Public Finance and Fiscal Policy Institute at Delhi, NIPFP, who has also stressed on the problems and role of government. Musgrave is considered as father of public finances in recent times, who have made extreme efforts to bring it to the knowledge of people and popularize this subject. However, Professor Buchanan has won the Nobel Prize in Public Finance for his prominent contribution. In India, we find three-tier system where Government of India, state and union territories and urban and local bodies form the government bodies which function for the benefit of our country. While looking at the scope at national, subnational, local and global level, we find that the public finances work at extreme levels to benefit the people, allocating resources, distributing and redistributing of income and wealth, stabilizing for development and for sustainable growth, ensuring equity and ensuring faster and balanced growth to improve socio-economic welfare at all levels has been the endeavor of the government bodies. While learning public finance, we have to consider that Public economics and public finance are interchangeably used, whereas in India, public finance is the accepted subject. Public finance is related to the study of the finances, fiscal operations, the causes and effects of fiscal operations of the state. State here is government body, not state of government of Goa or state of Andhra Pradesh or Maharashtra. That should be kept in mind. While dealing with such a huge subject and its outcomes, when the government body is not working and sweating and taking efforts to earn its money, the positive and normative aspects of public finance are very critical, crucial for the study. The economists, more specifically the classical economists from Adam Smith, Pigou, Ricardo, argued in favor of the positive aspect, mostly the quantitative aspect of public finances, where they spoke about dealing with or using fiscal policy to control, fight the trade cycle, unemployment, redistribution of capital and capital accumulation, growth, ensuring regional balances. However, the modern economists from Keynes, Musgrave, Buchanan, Samuelson and the others, we find that they believe more in analysis and measurement of effects, the outcome, the results and implications of fiscal operations of the state. Before going to the references, I want you to know that the study of public finance has seen evolution from the concept of mere police state to the present facilitating state, service state, and all of you know very well that in the COVID-19 and post-COVID session, we are going to have greater emphasis on the role of the government. So, along with published data on governments everywhere all over the world, from the national level to the local level, you can make references and you can also go through these references made by Bhatia, Musgrave, Singh and Tyagi. Thank you very much.